25 players, 5 tiers. Let's rank them.
Welcome to Three Slips and Gully. Today we have a judge who's gonna be our Gully, Kanishk, with us. What we're doing today in this video is we're ranking all-time Indian Test players since 2000 who have played for India, and we're gonna rank them on 5 levels, which is gonna be GOAT, Legend, Elite, Good, and Meh. So we have a list of 25 players who we're gonna go through one by one and see if we three agree on which level they can fit in. If we don't agree, then we have the judge to do the final decision.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for having me as your gully. I hope I bring justice to this position, and so I'll just start with the players. The first player in contention is Cheteshwar Pujara, also known as the modern-day Wall. So, Sayesh, could you start?
Yep. So for Pujara, I would say he has been, since 2000, he has been like the successor of Dravid for us in Indian team. So some of the stats on top of my head is like around 43, 44 average he has. And he's played around 100 test matches. He has been the owner of the number 3 position for a while now. So I would put him in legend category, just because of the amount of balls he has faced, the amount of struggle he has seen on the pitch, the amount of time he has spent on the pitch in difficult conditions.
I would say the 2018 Australia series comes to mind, where he basically like.
Right, so I agree with Saharsh for the most part. He has played more than 100 tests, 103 to be exact, 176 innings. He scored around total of 7,195 runs. So I totally think he deserves a respect and a place in the legend category, according to me.
Very simple. मेरे लिए भी legend ही होगा. Test cricket में, if Pujara doesn't go into the legend category, I don't think we're just doing justice. So
fair point, guys. And I like. जो विराट कोहली और रन्स मारते थे, उनके लिए बॉल पुरानी पुजारा ही करते थे. We'll move on to our second player, which is VVS Lakshman.
Want to put him in the legend category with Pujara. Justification would again be very similar. एक ही फॉर्मेट में ही उन्होंने ज्यादा अपना करा है. T20 क्रिकेट तो कभी खेली नहीं है, and ODI क्रिकेट में लक्ष्मण was decent but not that much. Yes, राहुल द्रविड़ बॉल थे, बट VVS लक्ष्मण भी ऑलमोस्ट एक बॉल का ही रोल प्ले करते थे. जिस नंबर पे वो खेलते थे पीछे, वो जो 2001 की जो सीरीज थी जिसमें ही स्कोर्ड 281 इन ईडन गार्डन्स, उस पूरी सीरीज में उनका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था.
He scored something like somewhere around 8,700 runs or 8,000 something like that runs, which is a lot of runs to be honest, and I believe he was overshadowed, but he held his end very well, so a legend from my side.
Okay, so for me, I also agree. वो legend category में मैं भी slot करूँगा. जो विराट कोहली 4th innings में करते थे बाद में. We have seen like 4th innings chases in test. VVS Lakshman was doing that before, and that 281 against Australia, my dad tells me about, was a crazy innings. But उनको मैं GOAT में इसलिए नहीं डालूंगा क्योंकि 134 मैचेस के लिए 17 सेंचुरीज थोड़ी सी कम है. कन्वर्जन रेट में भी थोड़ा सा इशू है, इसलिए मैं गोट नहीं डाल सकता. बट
जहां मैटर बड़े होते थे, लक्ष्मण खड़े होते थे. That's what I'll say. Right. So we all agree he is in the legend category, right? So fair discussion as of now. We haven't had any controversial opinions or heated discussions. Let's just try to bring that.
तुमने प्लेयर ही वैसे लिए हैं अभी तक जिनमें कंट्रोवर्सी.
वही तो like let's just like थोड़ा मसाला डालते हैं और let us probably put India's best ever white ball captain into the fray, which is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I would really like to hear your opinions on his test careers.
I would put him in the elite category.
Oh wow, interesting.
Simply because he did not contribute much with the bat. 6 test centuries, I think. But again, with MS Dhoni, even what he's doing for CSK right now doesn't contribute much with the bat, but it's his mind, his captaincy. You can argue that he was the defensive captain in test. तो मैं धोनी को elite में डालना चाहूँगा. बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. I wish I could put him in legendary status, but उनका batting record उतना और उसको justify नहीं करता. और modern day cricket में you just can't be a wicket keeper. You have to be a batter and a wicket keeper. So
I respect the neutral take, man. I really respect that. Yeah. You're probably the biggest MS fan I know, but thanks for not being biased here.
You cannot put him in a good category. He has played 90 test matches for India, 166 innings. he might not have scored so many runs or so many centuries. He has 6 centuries, that's right, and he has around 4,000 something runs. But if you look at him as a wicketkeepers of his era, wicketkeeper after him have not even been able to touch his wicketkeeper stats. So I would put him in elite status for me.
I will go second. So I will and slot him in a good status. Like maybe elite or good में ही debate कर रहा था. I agree with Polash. There was a defensive approach that India took whenever he was captain, especially in overseas conditions, and we saw the results. Overseas में it was really flat. India were literally like bound to lose every game, or not every game, but I would say test series, especially in England, Australia. And that changed after Virat came in. So I would say, only judging it from subcontinent, I would probably put him in elite or legend category. But overseas, when you factor in overseas, there has not been much good that India has done under Dhoni's captaincy. So I would slot him at good and not elite.
So I'll just pitch in one point in favor of Dhoni, of course. India got the Test Mace, or the number 1 team in the world, first time under him only. So like that's a massive sign of respect. Australia को dethrone करके first time 2010 में जब हम, या फिर अफ्रीका को dethrone किया था, I'm not sure about that. But उस era में first time हमने धोनी ने टेस्ट में वो बनाया था number 1. So
if you only look at statistics, I can see why you don't want to put him in the elite or legendary status, right? But you can't. ये स्पोर्ट्स है, रियल एक्शन है, आपको मैच देखना पड़ेगा, आपको बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स को कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. अगर सिर्फ स्कोर कार्ड देख के हम चीजें करने लगे तो लास्ट 5 साल में विराट कोहली को भी टेस्ट बैटर तो नहीं बुला सकते.
agree, spicy but agree.
बात सही है, but I would say Dhoni, like why I'm putting him at good is Dhoni, like when, I mean you said that कि अश्विन जडेजा भी वैसे नहीं थे, कोहली नहीं था.
मैं एक बात बोलूं बस बीच में, like 2011 की जो टीम थी ना यार, लक्ष्मण सचिन तो they were like gone man, like वो बस नाम पे खेल रहे थे, उनकी एबिलिटी 10% भी नहीं बची थी. That's what I feel at least, मतलब especially on bounce pitches. और बस द्रविड़ था who held his end England.
Dravid has a nice England. He had a nice England tour.
4 century kind of.
So
I agree with some of your points that ठीक है, धोनी के पास प्लेयर्स नहीं होंगे, कोई भी मतलब मान लो 10 प्लेयर नहीं खेलते हैं, सिर्फ धोनी खेल रहा होता है, तो उसमें भी लाइक आई डोंट सी एनी वन इनिंग्स, स्पेशली ओवरसीज, वेयर धोनी हैज हेल्ड हिज बैट that okay, no one is performing, चल मान ले.
अब अगर बोल दिया तो मेरा मन इंटरप्ट कर देगा.
I would stand up and I would play an innings.
Okay,
लॉर्ड्स पे 50 पे 7 थे, उसने 50 मार के 190 पहुंचाया था.
79 नॉट आउट, 79 नॉट आउट लॉर्ड्स में बनाया हुआ है.
हाँ नहीं,
I agree. I agree that if I go into this debate of Dhoni's overseas batting record, I won't be able to argue with you a lot because there is not a lot of matter जिसको मैं defend कर सकूं. I totally agree. But when you talk about Dhoni, you don't just talk about Dhoni the batter. Dhoni के टाइम पे जब वो कैप्टन बने, सचिन, द्रविड़, गांगुली, कुंबले, सहवाग, लक्ष्मण, ये सब टीम में थे. और धोनी वाज लाइक गंभीर, लाइक चल गंभीर फिर भी उसी की उसका है. ये सब सीनियर हैं धोनी के, एंड धोनी उन लोगों का कैप्टन बना. और सचिन तेंदुलकर का कैप्टन बनना फॉर अ गाय कमिंग फ्रॉम बिहार, झारखंड, ही स्टेबलाइज्ड द टीम. एक टीम को एक डायरेक्शन में लेके गया. स्टैटिस्टिक्स वाइज 4-0 अगर तुम करोगे, मेरे पास कुछ होगा नहीं बोलने के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स. बट अगेन, क्या तुम सिर्फ उस 4-0 को देखोगे या फिर उसको इन डेप्थ देखोगे कि ओके वो उस टाइम पे क्या चल रहा था?
So right guys, fair argument I guess, and I would also push him to the same category. We have a like string of batters right now, so let's just try to change that. We'll come on to Umesh Yadav.
Fast in the transition, probably better than other bowlers like Ishwar Pandey, Praveen Kumar. Decent record, has a lot of wickets. I have seen a couple of test matches which I remember एकदम अच्छे से that he did like man of the match वाले performances. Good.
Yeah, I agree with good. I would say he was a good bowler just because in Indian conditions he was able to reverse swing.
Yeah, good for me, and I don't think there's any other information on Umesh Yadav other than what these two have said. Everyone knows Umesh.
मुझे बस अफ्रीका की वो सीरीज याद है, होम वाली पीटीएम सीरीज 2015 में, जब वो रिवर्स स्विंग चला के बोल्ड मारता था लोगों को, which was lethal, but then not like consistent enough for a long time. So
Like if I had never seen Bumrah, maybe I could put Umesh Yadav in elite. But I saw Bumrah and Shami Ahmed, so now I
absolutely
can't put Umesh Yadav in elite status.
fair enough. Let's move on and we'll move on to Harbhajan Singh.
For me, again, I would put Harbhajan right next to Dhoni under elite. We were just talking about Lakshman, the 281 not out. Harbhajan took a hat trick in that. He brought us into the game. And before Ashwin, मेरे पास कोई ऐसा बड़ा ऑफ स्पिनर था ही नहीं. मैं बिशन सिंह द्विवेदी और उस टाइम की बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ. तो हम जिस कैटेगरी में कर रहे हैं, हरभजन डेफिनेटली elite. 400 plus test wickets. Could give a good banter to the the infamous Australian team. We all remember Monkey Gate 2008 में with Andrew Simons. Important sports में होता है ये सब, like to show that attitude. He had the fighting spirit. Attitude होता था. पंजाबी है. Elite for me next to Dhoni.
Right.
For me, I think he's a legend. I'll just say this: he has played 190 games. If we say top 5 bowlers of Indian team in Test, he's on the 4th position. He has played 190 games. He has 323 wickets to show for him.
Sorry, Rajat, how many Test matches has Harbhajan played?
He's played 190 Test matches. No, sorry, 190 innings.
No.
Sorry. I would like to
Yeah,
correct that. 190
exactly.
innings, 103 Test
innings.
matches, and in 103 Test matches, he has 323 wickets. Correction.
No worries.
मैं खुद उसको लेजेंड में डालने वाला था भाई. 190 टेस्ट मैच करके
Legend नहीं, मैं उसको नई tier बनाया था उसके लिए board के ऊपर.
I agree on the wickets and the longevity, but I would put him in elite category just because when you compare him with, let's say, Kumble or Ashwin, I won't want to put both of them and Harbhajan as the same category just because of that.
Correct.
I will put him in elite. Rest all you guys have said so.
No, I agree. Same with Umesh Yadav, right? We didn't put Umesh Yadav in elite because we know we might put Bumrah or Shami or somebody there.
I'm really sorry, but let's not put Harbhajan and Umesh in the same sentence. Let's not do that. I mean, I don't want to see my off spinner who has basically rattled Ricky Ponting. Ricky Ponting उस time best player था world का. Ricky Ponting को he made him look like me, bro. Like एक बॉल नहीं खेल पाता रिकी पॉन्टिंग उसकी.
हटाना पंगा लेगा तो यही काम होएगा तेरा पॉन्टिंग.
The irony is कि हरभजन और धोनी साथ हैं. Yeah, the amount of stuff that Harbhajan has said about Dhoni.
Oh yeah.
मैं ना जो भी elite लोग आएंगे ना इसमें मैं भज्जी तो बीच में डाल दूंगा. So like थोड़ा probably an opener who has transformed how Test cricket has been played in India and worldwide, and the name is Virender Sehwag.
Legend simply because he has 3 triple hundreds. He was a match winner. Basically मुझे याद है मेरे पापा मुझे कहते थे सहवाग single handedly मैच जिता सकता है तुमको, be it white ball or red ball. So for that simple reason, legend for me.
Fair point.
That there is nothing to be added. A legend from me.
I would put him as a GOAT, man. Like he's for me he's a GOAT because how many times or how often have you seen an opener having 23 centuries and an average of 49 or close to 50, right? So
Matthew Hayden इंडिया की बात हो रही है ना. Right.
I mean Matthew Hayden और भी.
Sorry, अरे मतलब वो भी elite category. I understand that. I completely respect your arguments. I feel like पाकिस्तान के हम अभी जैसे 2005 में शोएब अख्तर पीक ऑफ द पावर, मोहम्मद शमी ये सब थे और उनके बॉलर्स थे.
मुल्तान 300
ट्रिपल सेंचुरीज.
Exactly. अबे एक दिन में 400 मार दिए थे यार. वो मजाक. उस जमाने में द्रविड़ एक तरफ था, एक तरफ सहवाग था, एंड पाकिस्तानी पेसर्स वर लाइक दे वर द बेस्ट इन द बिजनेस, राइट? शोएब अख्तर, मोहम्मद आसिफ, कौन तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट बहुत तेज थे वो लोग यार. एंड तो उनको पीटा था, एंड ही ट्रांसफॉर्म द वे गेम वाज प्लेड, एंड एटलीस्ट लेजेंडरी होगा. गोट में इसलिए नहीं बोलूंगा क्योंकि यार जो गोट में आएंगे ना उस लेवल पे नहीं है, बस इसलिए बोलूंगा. लेट्स नाउ मूव डाउन to another legendary spinner, the one we have mentioned before as well, Mr. Anil Kumble.
Fighting spirit. A lot of people talk about Ganguly and his fighting spirit. He was vocal about his spirit. Anil Kumble was not vocal, but he showed it on the field. That 619 test wickets. Whenever we talk about Murli, we talk about Warren, we have to talk about Kumble also. Legend for me.
10 wickets in an innings. That's no joke. It is no joke, and he has done it. And I think no other Indian has done it other than him. Yeah, but in 619 wickets, I don't know. As a bowler, for me, as a bowler, he has to be a GOAT. If we are just going to see it as a bowler. Below him is Ashwin, and Ashwin has 537 wickets. They have a big gap between them, and Ashwin can't catch up anymore because he's retired now. So the next bowler who will catch up to him, I don't know kaun kab aayega, but he has to be a GOAT now. You can't say कि India का best bowler, like, you know, who has taken the most wickets for test, and he's a legend. He has to be a GOAT.
Tough argument, man. Tough argument. I respect that.
मतलब रजत ने जो argument दिया है ना,
हाँ, उस
he
वही
is
सोच
the
रहा हूँ।
highest wicket taker and you don't put him there. उससे
मैं-
मेरी थोड़ा
अब-
हो गया यार डर।
हाँ, मैं क्या क्या बोलूँ?
Argument वैसे ठीक है, but like if you see Ashwin,
नहीं,
is
like, because यार अगर तुम
statistically Ashwin
सचिन
is better.
तेंदुलकर को बोलोगे कि why he's a GOAT,
नहीं नहीं
come
नहीं
on, look at his
नहीं
stats.
ना सचिन मत लाओ सचिन को कीचड़ में मत डालो सचिन नहीं
ऐसे तो
मैं
I
सचिन
mean,
फैन भी नहीं हूँ यार मैं
भाई,
सचिन फैन भी नहीं हूँ वैसे
अभी विराट कोहली आएगा, मैं उसको गुड में दूंगा सर।
भाई ऐसे तो अश्विन भी गोट है यार, ऐसे तो सब
तो
लोग।
अबे भाई तू विराट और रोहित तो सेम टियर में आने वाले हैं ना टेस्ट में मतलब क्या हुआ
अरे
तो
विराट
जा-
और रोहित को तू भाई रोहित
नहीं, बट यार लाइक
यार।
कम ऑन, I'll not say it. अगर कोई बॉलर अनिल कुंबले के पास भी होता to overtake him, मैं उसे लेजेंड बोलता।
Bro,
But
Ashwin is
आने वाले
better
time में it's a-
statistically, he's better.
एक इम्पैक्ट होता है ना अश्विन ने सीरीज जिताई अपने दम पे अफ्रीका के
हाँ
अगेंस्ट
भाई,
होम पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट होम पे वो डेविड वार्नर बेन स्टोक्स जो भी प्रोमिनेंट लेफ्ट हैंडर्स होते थे ना ओपनर से एलिस्टर कुक क्या आउट करता था कि हाँ मैं बॉल करने आ रहा हूँ कुछ भी कर लियो अंदर डालूंगा एच डालूंगा और लाइक हमेशा आउट होता था
यार there are different ways to see it then. अगर यार कोई इतने सारे विकेट ले रहा है and then we can't say कि उसने सिंगल हैंडेडली गेम नहीं चेंज किया, उसने यार 10 विकेट लिए हैं, उसने तो
टीम ने नहीं
पूरी
किया सपोर्ट
भाई उसने
Right.
पूरी टीम को ही भेज दिया पवेलियन के अंदर यार। एंड
भाई,
what are you
if-
going to say about that?
Okay, if Ashwin played
Yeah,
same matches as Kumble, he would have way more wickets.
Ashwin has 200 innings and Anil Kumble has 36 more innings than him. Anil Kumble had 236.
Yeah, so
अगर
then
home
look
पे
at the
compare
average
करना है
ना. अगर if you're not looking at matches, then look at the average, bowling average.
Average 29 का है अनिल कुंबले का, 24 का
Ashwin का
Ashwin का।
24 है ना.
But
But
अगर
I rest my case. I'll let Sahar speak obviously now, but मेरे हिसाब से GOAT है, that's my final decision.
मैंने ना हमेशा से बचपन से सोचा इस बारे में कि टॉप 3 प्लेयर्स या टॉप 4 प्लेयर्स कौन होंगे इंडियन टेस्ट क्रिकेट के 10 साल से सोच रहा हूँ मैंने कभी अनिल कुंबले नहीं सोचा था
If you're putting, I have only one point. Like I love Anil Kumble as well. If you're putting Anil Kumble at GOAT, then Ashwin has to be GOAT as well.
ये हार्विक फैक्टर बन चुके हैं और थोड़ा मेरे पे बहुत इश्यूज आ गए हैं
मेरे लिए तो अनिल कुंबले लेजेंडरी स्टेटस में जा रहा है।
Yeah, same.
Just because we have a GOAT status doesn't mean that the legends are any less. But okay, I maybe
Subject to change?
come to a conclusion. Okay, fine, subject to change. Okay.
Let's move on from one captain to another legendary captain. It is Saurav Ganguly. Players like Harbhajan, Sehwag, ये सब उनकी वजह से टीम में है. So go ahead.
Yeah, you might not agree with this. I have always found Saurav Ganguly very, very overrated. For me, he goes in the elite status. I would have put him in under the good category, but then of course that thing that having Umesh Yadav there, I can't put Ganguly there because of course I acknowledge what he's done for the Indian cricket team. Thing of Indians can go overseas and win test matches, win matches in general, but I would still put him in elite, not legendary, definitely not GOAT.
I'll be
Just
happy with it.
because he has centuries everywhere, almost everywhere. He has, like, he has picked up, as Kanish said also, he's picked up a team from where no one respected India. Whenever you go out, you know that the result is going to be like a loss or whatever. He instilled that aggressive nature, that fight back spirit that Indians played with overseas. And of course, as a batter, he has been great. Like 42 average against bowlers like McGrath and Steve Waugh, all of those is pretty good. I would put him as legendary for sure.
ठीक है, no problem. I will not mind anywhere this time.
It would be like really unfair to put him below Pujara and these people. That's what I feel.
No, understood. Fair enough. Fair enough.
So I'll at least put him at legendary status. So let's move on to a relatively new generation player, which is KL Rahul.
Can't put KL Rahul with Pujara, can't put him with
Oh, no.
Harbhajan. So good for me, good. Maybe his career is still ongoing, right? So maybe he can make it to elite someday, but for
Very-
now, good. You know,
Very plain.
he's had this graph of going up and down and up and down. Even in the recently concluded BGT we saw, he started well, but as soon as we played more games, his performance came down, and that has been his template for several series, whether it be in home or outside, even in the IPL. Yeah, I'm gonna put him in good. Maybe he can climb up to elite someday, but
Yeah.
good for now.
But for me right now, it's a meh. It's a meh right now.
Okay.
It's meh for me
Meh.
right now.
Oh, man.
अभी अगर बाद में फ्यूचर में अपन कभी वापस करेंगे, when he might have retired, I might change it. अभी के लिए, you know, he's already played what 102 innings in or so, something like that, and then he has been unlucky. I'll say that it's not his fault. He has been injured a lot, even though when he has fitness.
No, I would say good. Good because he was given many. I mean, he changed his positions because he was never able to cement any position.
Absolutely.
He
right.
wasn't able to cement an opener position. He was given many chances.
Right.
There was maybe one knock. He scored maybe 100. Then the other innings are literally flat, like nothing.
जो पलाश ने बोला ना कि अप एंड डाउन गया है, वो अप एंड डाउन और वो जो अनलकी रहा है वो व्हाइट बॉल में रहा है कि उसने परफॉर्म किया फिर भी उसको ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं। रेड बॉल में ही वाज गिवन द ईयर्स फ्रॉम 2014 टू 2021।
Yeah.
2014 में उसने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सेंचुरी मारी थी विराट के अंडर, राइट। उसके बाद उसकी अगली सेंचुरी 2016 में थी 199 वर्सेस इंग्लैंड होम पे, जब तरुण नायर ने 300 मारा था। उसके बाद उसकी सेंचुरी ही नहीं थी जितना मुझे याद है, एटलीस्ट आई माइट बी रॉन्ग, बट 2021 तक उसने कुछ नहीं किया था टेस्ट में। 2021 में हम इंग्लैंड जाते हैं, रोहित शर्मा और वो ओपनिंग स्टैंड करते हैं, बहुत सारी डबल लाइक सेंचुरी स्टैंड करते हैं, बहुत सारे देते हैं हमें। उस टाइम ही वाज लाइक कि हाँ, ही इज प्रोबेबली मेकिंग अ केस फॉर हिमसेल्फ टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड एज एन ओपनर। उसके बाद से ही हैज बीन गुड। सो उसके बाद से जो उन्होंने किया इसके लिए उसको मैं मेन में डालूंगा।
After recent
it out.
form and all, he's not meh, I think.
बट हाँ, तो मैं अभी के लिए गुड डाल देता हूँ, सब्जेक्ट टू चेंज इफ वी हैव लाइक नन इन में। मतलब थोड़ा हार्श होगा बट अभी तो
Kill Rahul there. Although
let's start getting into the like elite players, elite name मतलब बिल्कुल top notch players. I'll just say Jami, which is Rahul
Okay.
Dravid.
I have to begin, right? I will say GOAT. I think he's the best ever test batsman that India has had till date. And I am taking into account Sunil Gavaskar, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar. Rahul Dravid comes right up there.
Rahul Dravid is comparable to Sachin or even more in terms of test batsman. I would say that. I mean, I don't
Only
know.
in test,
Everyone agrees.
yes.
Only in test, Rahul Dravid is better. I have never seen like a more dependable batsman or technically sound batsman
Right
in
word.
test cricket.
Absolutely.
1996 में डेब्यू किया था भाई ने। सौरभ गांगुली स्कोर्ड 100। उसका 95 को याद नहीं रहता है, फेब टॉप 5 आया था, ठीक है। फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच वहां पे था, लास्ट टेस्ट मैच था इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट 2011 में। किसी ने बोला था लॉर्ड्स पे सेंचुरी नहीं आई है, 4 सेंचुरी दी सीरीज में। जब सचिन 5-10 रन बना रहे थे, विराट कोहली कुछ थे ही नहीं उस टाइम पे, स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया था। और हाँ, डिसेंट स्लिप फील्डर, बेस्ट एवर आई गेस इंडिया का।
We still have a lot of players to go, including Sachin Tendulkar, Zaheer Khan, Jasprit Bumrah, and many others. But that will need to be in the part 2 of the tier ranking video. So if you like the first part, give us a like, share, and subscribe. And if the second part is already out, it should be linked here.